living organisms that includes human being. Now the sound reverberates in human beings and other living things in the nature all around like waves. The sound wave generates a typical energy. That energy creates wonderful power in human being. When we breathe, air generates inside and move inside through inhalation and comes outside through exhalation process. Similarly, the sound also comes from our surroundings and within ourselves and within outside. And the sound, it is a very peculiar voice we are hearing from animal, dog. Oh, 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 oh. Human being also, the sound breathing, exhalation and inhalation, in very typical way it will reveals like this. This that is sound absorbs in our body with different levels. Similarly, the sound carries both exhalation and inhalation. We call, I'm telling one very typical way. I will show how the sound of universe will be here. I will show. When we touch ears with the sounds like dome, it will generates very typical sound. We can hear. Om, Om. So I convinced and the sound energy releases in the universe and it pervades each and every particle in the universe, including all like our human beings. So the sound energy we have to hear, we have to move on. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, you can share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.